Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's drink recipe is on this strawberry milkshake. It is very good for the body and we all know that strawberry is healthy. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. The milkshake is not complete without strawberries. Strawberry flavored ice cream and a liquid base. It can either be yogurt, milk, just anything. I decided to go with yogurt, strawberry flavored yogurt. I like to start with the liquids first. Pour the portion of yogurt or any liquid base in your blender. Scoop the ice cream into the blender. Then you can add the strawberries. You're free to add sugar or honey if you want. Just add to your taste. And just blend. I upload new videos every week, so do well to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.